Tired of a cluttered kitchen and complicated cooking? The Instant Pot Duo Plus is about to revolutionize your meal prep. This incredible 9-in-1 pressure cooker combines so many appliances into one sleek design, truly making it the ultimate kitchen upgrade for 2025. From pressure cooking to slow cooking, sautéing, yogurt making, and even sterilizing, it does it all with effortless precision. No more guessing games thanks to its 15 customizable smart programs. Just select your dish and let the Instant Pot do the rest. Plus, cleanup is a breeze with the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, a feature serious home cooks truly appreciate. What truly sets the Duo Plus apart is how it simplifies complex recipes, giving you gourmet results without the gourmet effort or needing a dozen different gadgets. If you're looking to save time, money, and counter space, this kitchen essential is an absolute game changer. Ready to elevate your cooking experience? You can find the best deals and more details by clicking the Amazon link right in the description below. It's not just a pressure cooker. It's a smart investment in healthier, faster, and more delicious meals every single day. For anyone seeking the best kitchen appliance for 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is our top recommendation. Don't miss out.